Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and today is very exciting because we are going to be putting up the spring wreath. Christmas is over. I know. Normally my Christmas wreath, which is right here, it's very dusty. Normally this comes down in January, February. This year I didn't bother. I don't know, I was just lazy about it, I guess. Because normally I switch it out, not to my spring wreath. It goes to, I have like a blue metal wreath that's kind of an interim, because this one's too springy for that nasty time of year where we're still getting a ton of snow. So we still have these going, and they've toppled over a handful of times. But, and honestly, the greenery, like it's still, I mean, it's starting to die a bit, but it's not too bad. So, and I didn't water them or anything. They just stayed in there. So I'm going to be pulling out all the stuff that is my decor. These items here. I got some really good deals on them in the last few years, and I will be saving them. I save them from year to year, and that will include this. Oops. That will include my lights as well. My little multi. You know what? I wonder if I should just save these and use them in the garden this year. Maybe I should keep them in here. I might keep these in here this year, or at least for a little bit, because it's going to look really naked when I take everything out. So I'm going to take out all the Christmas stuff, all the greenery, and we'll be left with just these, the birch and the red dogwood for now. And then hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll be able to add in my cool flower flowers that I've been starting. So unfortunately the pansies didn't start. I didn't have enough seeds, and the ones I did have did not germinate at all, but they were really old. So I might have to buy a couple little pansies, but I have a bunch of those ornamental kale that are doing really good. I can pop in some daffodils. And so I'm going to clean these out, and then I'm going to show you, and we'll swap out the wreath. But let's go see if there's any coming up in the garden. I also have to take down the Christmas stuff around the little mini house. But look, we are finally seeing some tulips coming up there. I'm surprised I don't see my alley. Oh, I do. There it is. There it is. So there's some tulips. There should be some allium coming up in here. And I got to come in and just kind of cut back the snapdragons. But some of them are still alive. Look at this. See? These snapdragons are still alive. They overwintered. So I'll just kind of come prune them back a little bit to keep them clean. My grass is doing fine. Ground cover's coming back. I got to take out these cabbage. They finally bit the dust. They're looking really gross. My heuchera is doing good. And we got lots of tulips. Do you remember all those tulips we planted last fall? Yeah. Remember I got all those for like, what was it, 99 cents or something crazy? Oh, look at that. My primrose. My primrose overwintered. That's exciting. And then lots of crocuses are coming up in here. So I don't know if I'll get to it today, but we will be, yeah, you know what, might as well just come and clean this all up while I'm out here. It is a balmy 38 degrees right now, but the sun is out. Might be a better job for this afternoon, I don't know, we'll see. Got big plans today. So besides this, here, let's go back up on top of the stairs. Besides doing this stuff out front and getting my urns done, I think we're going to be setting up the greenhouse today. So it is kind of set up. It's been set up for over winter, but we're going to be transitioning it from man cave to growing station. So I'll take you out, and we're just going to I'll show you what I can. So this could be more vlog style. I don't know. I don't really know what my style is, to be honest. But anyways, let's get going. First things first, let's do the wreath. Yay! Instant gratification, right? So, super quick. I'm gonna pull down my dusty wreath, which I should probably hose off, but we don't have a hose, so hose won't be getting turned on for a while now. But here we go. And I can center this one now, because the other one I can't really keep it centered because it's a little too big. This one I can center. There we go. Okay. And now it's gonna have to move over more. We'll do that another time, but I'm just happy to see it up there. It is, what a difference that makes, right? It is bright, it is cheery, and it's officially spring now that that's up. All right, so I'm gonna get going on the rest of the stuff. I'm going to be wearing some gloves because I find that this stuff is always kind of scratchy. I don't know, maybe that's just me. I always kind of get a rash after dealing with like the fake Christmas trees and garland and stuff. So So I have some bags to put them in, and they're gonna go upstairs. Five hours later. Might have a problem. Let me show you. Okay, so this one's coming out. That one's not coming out. Oh, that one's coming out. But that's not coming out. That's not coming out. So if you've been like, why didn't you take them out sooner? Christmas was over a long time ago. Ooh, this pot might have thawed out. It's because it's still frozen. Like, oh, this one's thawed out. Okay, I can do this one. Okay, so if I can get this one out and some of those, I might just dump some hot water to get them all out and be done with it today. Maybe that's what we'll do. We'll see what we can get out. Okay. Can't be bothered. So it's fine because the only stuff left in there is like the natural branches that I'm just gonna compost anyway, so no biggie. So let's go pull off all the green Christmas stuff off of the house, which is hot glued on. It's gonna be fun. There we go. I'm using my planter as the tripod, so because this is one of those projects where if I waited to go get the tripod and get everything set up properly, I just either wouldn't do the project or I wouldn't film it at all. So is this good B-roll, Monica? Is this what you're looking for in B-roll footage? I think this is more like D-roll footage right now, to be honest. Hi. What are you doing? Are you messing up my curtains to watch me in the garden? You stalker. You little stalker. Hi, baby. Don't worry, I'll be out in the back with you in just a little bit, okay? Can you see his little face? Oh, now he's looking down the street. Jax! Hi, baby. Oh, I think that's the look of like utter betrayal. Better sleep with one eye open tonight. Sorry, buddy. All right, I gotta go back to disassembling this stuff. Okay? Bye. Unfortunately, I'm still working on the wire. This did not take nearly as long to install, let me tell you. I'm not feeling it with this house. So I don't know if you remember, but 2 years ago I had the little tiny other little houses here, and I'd made like a little mini village with the two houses, and it was definitely more fairy garden-esque. And then I was bullied into using this one last okay, that's a bit strong, but my husband thought this would be better for scale, and you know what, it was all right. It was cute, but it just wasn't doing it for me. So I'm going to probably pass this on, find some happy little kid that will enjoy playing with that, and I'm going to go back to either the other little houses I have, or I'm going back fairy gardenish. Oh, here's my fancy tripod. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to come in and clean up the rest of this stuff and just get it taken care of. Alright, so that looks a little bit better. I didn't clean up any of the debris or anything like that. I'll wait till it warms up more for that. But I wanted to get the dead stuff out, and this way the tulips can shine. And I know I tell people every year, don't pull out your snapdragon. Wait until spring and see what happens. And people say, oh, snapdragons don't overwinter, and they pull them all out. I'm in zone 5B Canada. We did have a mild winter, but look at this. This is my snapdragon. And some of these I've had 3, 4, 5 years. So every year I have some that overwinter just fine. And I'll have the same situation in the backyard too. So don't pull out your snapdragons in the fall when you're cleaning up. Leave them till spring because you just never know.